How to make money from home today. Hi, my name is Erik Burton with ericburton.com. I'm going to get directly to the point here. This is about affiliate marketing. This is about me offering you a weekly free webinar, about 30 minutes or so, to be able to promote this platform and this product. Okay. And once you go through it and see the information in the videos, you're going to understand what I'm talking about, okay? AI campaigns that can generate you up to 50 leads per day. That's what's going to happen for you, as well as what you're going to learn specifically. It's a $20 one-time only lifetime specific charge, okay? And then you're going to be able to get AI campaigns that you can use to get up to 50 leads per day, and you could direct it right back to this specific offer right here. If you really want to learn how to be an affiliate marketer or learn how to make money online, and you want to start doing it today, like it says in the description, you want to follow this specifically, because what they're going to tell you in these videos is that once you do this one-time recurring $20, you're going to get paid $60 for every person you refer. And the reason that they're doing that, they say, is because they're not going to be spending money on advertising. And this is what ads cost. I mean, it's just really expensive. That's why people are trying to sell things for thousands of dollars, because they're trying to make up for their ad spend. Okay, but they're going to give it to us if we're willing to refer other people very simply, okay, with the link that they're going to give you. And then you start getting $15 recurring fees every month from each one of those people that you referred, plus the people that they referred one level below them. So you go through this, you watch that video, you read everything specifically, you watch this second video, it's only about 7 minutes. Very simple. You can watch them over and over again if you want. 1 minute intro video, and then here is the process. Okay, now the process is kind of adjusted a little bit, but you want to make sure that once you get ready, you want to click on the link in the description, which is right here, okay? And you're going to go to where you can put your email in position for me to get your information and get you free information. And then once you do that, a screen's going to come up where you want to put your email in and your first and last name. It's going to look like this. First name, last name, email, free to sign up, okay? And once that happens, this is the next thing that's going to come up. You're going to see my name, my email is williamericburton@gmail.com, okay? You click on this, you pay for this, okay? And then the next thing that happens, you want to make sure that you go up into the description here and copy this link of this receipt that you have right here. Once you pay, okay? Not before, but after you pay, and then you're going to see this. And then you'll put in the email that you put in, your first and last name, and that link of your receipt. Okay, and as you can see, you'll receive an email after you make that payment. You want to make sure that you copy your URL from the company with your login details, okay? And then eventually, within about 10 minutes or less, you're going to get this email. Don't worry about the password there, because it's not valid anymore. So I changed it. Okay. And then once you do that, then you're going to come to this right here. Get inside there, and then you'll be able to get your affiliate link specifically so that you can do the same thing that I'm doing. Okay. And we can actually help you get started. We can help you get started with developing a page like this, and we can get your links into these signups now, right there, just like I have, and I'll help you do that in the weekly webinar that I have that is going to help you learn how to become an affiliate marketer online and earn income. So if you want to learn how to make money today, click on the link in the description below, get started now, and I will see you on the next video.